Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I will be showing you how to create printable Christmas greeting cards in Canva. So for these Christmas greeting cards, I'm actually putting 2 cards per page. In the top right hand of the screen, press custom size. This document will be 11 inches wide by 8.5 inches tall. If you don't want to deal with designing these yourself, you can actually buy these from my Etsy shop. I'll leave the link in the description below. Before we get started, we're going to set up some guides for our document. Head to File, View Settings, and Add Guides. Click on Custom, and this document will have 2 columns and 1 row. And again, I'll insert a picture of the numbers you put in for your guides. After you have all those numbers in, hit Add Guides. So I'm actually going to go to File, View Settings, and I'm going to hide my margins. I find that I don't need the margins turned on because I do have my guides and lines set up. Once you have your guides set up, you're going to add lines to your document. Copy and paste each line to match up with the guides that you set up. Once you have all your lines in place, group them together, reduce the transparency, and make them a light gray color. Once these are printed, these will serve as your cut lines so you can get each individual card. Once the cards are printed, cut, and folded, they'll be 5 inches wide by 3.5 inches tall. So now it's time to add in your elements. In the left side toolbar, head to Elements. In the search bar, type Christmas. And obviously if you have something specific that you want to look for, you just type that in the search bar. So like Christmas ornaments, snowflakes, Christmas trees, you get the picture. So I have this element of this gift box here. If you click on the element, and in the top toolbar, you pick the eye in the circle, you would click See More Like This. It'll allow you to find elements that are similar to the one you have. And then in the left side toolbar, it's showing you some magic recommendations. It not only gives you elements that are similar in theme, in this case like Christmas, it also gives elements that are similar in their style as well. So it was at this point that I realized that I forgot to lock my guidelines. So I had to go back and just click those and hit the little lock icon. So my thought process behind this card was to basically have like presents all at the bottom of the card, and then the word Merry Christmas right above those presents. The words Merry Christmas here, I actually hand lettered this on my iPad using the Procreate app. So here I'm just changing the gift box that was blue and yellow to red and green, obviously to keep with the Christmas theme. And remember, if you click on an element and in the top toolbar you see the little color boxes, you can click on each one of those and change the colors in that element. So now I'm just going to copy and paste these gift boxes, make some smaller, some larger, and change the colors on some of them. If you're making your own cards, you can actually add something onto the back of the card. You can add whatever event it's for. Here I'm putting Holiday 2023. Or you can also write like your family name on the back so that the people you've given the card to can remember who they received the card from. So if you're the Johnsons, you would put the Johnson family 2023 right on the back of the card. And once you have your text there, you do have to rotate the text box 180 degrees. So that way, once it's printed and cut and folded, the text will be right side up on the back. This design that I'm doing here, I had like a thought in mind of how I wanted it to look, and as I was designing it, I didn't really like it. So you'll see that the final card design is a little bit different. After you've designed your printable Christmas greeting cards, it's time to download them. In the upper right hand corner, press Share. Click on Download and choose your file type. We're going to pick PDF Print. I selected the Flatten PDF option. It says it allows you to ensure your prints print properly. And then you'll pick the pages that you want to download. And once you do that, click Done. And then hit Download. Now here are your printable Christmas greeting cards that you can give to all your loved ones this holiday season. Remember, I do have these available in my Etsy shop if you'd like to purchase them. The link is in the description box. I'm also going to put a link in the description box for the printable Christmas gift tags that we made in the last video. So if you want to purchase those are available in the description box as well. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Subscribe for more videos like this and other art-related content. And as always, thanks for watching. Happy holidays!